Hey you guys, happy October. Fun inspo video for you today, hopefully. The seasons are changing and so must my porch decor. And this porch makeover, I am not spending one penny. I am just using all things from my stash. I have thrifted and I've accumulated and I've thrifted some more, some yard sales, some DIYs that I've done over the years that I am just kind of reusing stuff that I have not necessarily used last year, brought them out again this year. October, I love this time of year. I love the fall. Although the weather today, it feels a little bit more like the middle of July. But a serious question, am I the only one who doesn't like pumpkin spice lattes and like pumpkin pies? Oh, I can't even. And apple pies? No, no thank you. I don't like apple tarts. I have nothing apple and nothing pumpkin. You guys, let's get to it. I am very excited to get out there and bring out all my decor and just that cozy vibe. I just love it. Ooh, that reminds me, I need to find some blankets for outside because it's a little chilly at night. So you guys, let's get into the video.
And of course I have my two little helpers with me. Here's one of them. I believe this one's Apollo, and I'm not sure where Comet is. I'm sure he'll make an appearance for sure. So like I mentioned, it is getting a little bit too chilly at nighttime for our indoor plants to be outside. So what I want to do is repot quite a few of them, and I actually need to give away quite a few as well. I think I'm only keeping maybe half, if that. The kittens, they are just way too mischievous to trust around these plants, and they are very toxic to them, so I do not want to take a chance. Still really love this plant stand, and I wish I could have it in the house other than being out on the front porch, but I do know that these kittens, they play hard, and I don't think that it would sit for very long without them climbing on top of it. So I'm just going to give it a good dust off, put it down in our storage room, and call it a day until the spring. One of our favorite things to do is sit out on this front porch. I feel like we didn't sit out as much this year as we have in the past years. This summer went by so fast, and I think I say that every year, but everybody I've talked to said the same thing. So I think that it just sped up this year compared to other years. Side note, we've just been really busy. We are still working on our bathroom, our ensuite. It's almost finished, and I'm hoping within the next couple of videos that we'll be able to show you the finished product. We are inches away and it's very exciting. In fact, we are using the vanity up there. The water is turned on. So exciting. It's just a few more finishing touches and we'll be able to show you. Until then, let's get back to this video. Okay, change of plans. I am going out the back. It is way too hot in the front.
Excuse me. I don't trust you.
I'm actually going to combine these two spider plants, hopefully to look better in this size of a pot. They're not doing the greatest, but regardless, I get to keep these. I'm hoping that the changing of the soil and giving it a little bit of vitamins, I hope that these guys thrive a little bit better because I don't know, you guys, my green thumb is starting to turn brown, kind of like the ends of these spider plants. Bonus is that spider plants are not toxic to our kittens, but unfortunately pothos are. Pothos grow really well in just water. So I'm just going to take this hurtin' unit out of this pot. I tried all summer to get this to its fullest potential, but it's just too scraggly. I'm going to wash the roots off as best I can and probably cut them put it in the jar with the rest of the pothos that I have up on a shelf very high that little monsters can't climb up to munch on these plants. So unfortunately, this is another plant that I need to give away to somebody. I got it a couple years ago for my birthday from my sister-in-law, and unfortunately I can't keep it because they are highly toxic. So I am going to replant this for the lucky recipient because it's very root bound. And yeah, I just wanted to do that so I can keep my little pot that it came in. Yet another one that I'm going to repot and give away because this is another one that is highly toxic to pets. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at that mess.
Fine. Hi. Hi. Oh, gosh. What are you doing? No way, Jose. Okay, time for you to get down off of there. Thank you, sir. That's better. And there's actually no dust up there because I just dusted there yesterday. Oh my gosh, these outside areas that I've been working on, a little messy. We have to get a lot messy. I gotta sweep the heck out of the porch and now clean up the backyard. So yeah, let's do that. Cute is that? It's an ice bucket. Mark's dad made it. I think they're all like old beer labels. Yeah, Brew 57, Molson, all of that. Oh, that's fun. don't know how stable that is, but I guess we could use it. And this is why I hardly get anything done these days. Seriously, like toddlers.
So these flowers are fake, 100% fake, and I've stuck a few extra in from the dollar store, I believe it was. I got them at Michael's, and I want to say like 10 years ago. And they actually came in a pretty cute pot, but my mom had given me this basket. It reminds me of like an apple or some kind of a fruit basket. Anyways, I just stuck it in there, and it's adorable. Decided this year, I think I might go back to Michael's and maybe invest in another one. And investing, it was like 50% off, so it wasn't that big of an investment. But I can't justify spending more money on a plant that I know will die within a few weeks. So, the end. This is also a fake pumpkin that I've had again for I can't even tell you how many years. But the thing is, this front porch gets so much sun. If I were to put a pumpkin out there now, it would be rotten. So I have done that in the past and the kids carved them, but now that the kids aren't little kids anymore, they're grown adults, we don't really carve pumpkins very often. So I'm hoping this year maybe we can carve a pumpkin somewhere, somehow. I love the pumpkin seeds is why. Found the other broom. Good news, not one mouse turd found on this whole porch. How is that comfortable? This tree, it's a Rosa Sharon, you guys, blooms like crazy from, I'm gonna say, maybe late May till, well, it's still blooming, but it is messy. These little buds get stuck to these patio stones here, and you have to wait till they dry up or get them just as they fall, and that's a never-ending job. But regardless, it's very pretty. It's really hot.